morning.
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 Hello.
Hi, Christine.
Hello.
Wagwan.
Gonna make some money today?
What's that?
We're gonna make some money today?
Hopefully. I really hope so. At least I have my coffee. Okay, just one thing I'm going to mention in the announcements that guys can use. If you could use your real name or Discord names in Zoom, it would be easier for me to identify. Someone just placed a massive lot.
Hello everyone. Hi Thomas.
Hi Sophie, how are you?
I'm fine, and you?
Yeah, good.
Trading is all about experience. It's to feel the adrenaline running through our veins. Like all the things we do that excite us. Whatever world we come from or live in, there are people that are born to succeed. They're called special, to hustle every day for an opportunity of a lifetime. Looking for the challenge to shape our future is something that's in our DNA. A privilege just available for a few. Traders, we see things differently, paying attention to every small detail that would maybe go unnoticed by the common eye. On or by the edge is our playground, with a constant strive for glory, seeking for a new tomorrow. Do you feel special? Take back control of your investments.
And welcome everyone back to the live trading. How are you today?
Fine, thank you.
Awesome. Why I have...
Good afternoon, Thomas. Good afternoon,
Hello,
everyone.
hello. How are you today?
Good. How are you?
Yeah, good. CPI today. Looking good. Everything is ready. Now we're just going to wait a couple of more minutes. Right, so today we have something called the CPI. Now, Consumer Price Index, as we talked about it in the morning briefing, is the main inflation indicator. It tells the central bank and investors and traders about the increase in prices, basic consumer prices, basic household goods, as well as used cars, some sort of education as well, but unfortunately these are represented with a lower weight. Long story short, this is the leading indicator for inflation, and it tells us what is the price increase. And it also, gold loves CPI because gold is heavily driven by monetary policy, which is a derivation of prices. This morning we talked about stagflation. Currently inflation is really high in the US. It's one of the highest in the last 4 decades. So since 1982 we didn't have this much inflation. So you can imagine that is a pretty impressive and pretty high. But also we have gas prices through the roof. I mean, let me just show you the oil price. So oil prices have never been this high since the 2008 financial crisis. So they've never been this high since the 2008 financial crisis, which is an issue. But it's good for us because, you know, the higher the inflation, the higher the prices. And also the oil prices are going to pressure on prices, upward pressure, meaning that we're going to have something called the stagflation, when inflation is increasing, but the economic growth is stagnating. And the Fed already announced that they're expecting a slowing down economic growth, which means that we are going to go back to probably the 70s, because that was the last time when oil prices were this high. So it was during the OPEC oil embargo. So all the Arabic oil producing countries, banned oil exports to United Kingdom, United States, all of the countries who supported Israel in a Yom Kippur War. What was the name? Yeah, Yom Kippur War. So you can see that we have many similarities like back in the 1970s. We have high inflation, we have a shock to the oil market, but this time we have not just the oil market, the whole commodities market, because Russia is getting banned from the international commodities market. The only thing that doesn't add up yet is the high unemployment, because currently we have really tight labor market, but we also have high wages. So loads of pressure on prices, loads of pressure on companies, and hopefully I am wrong, but we are getting back to the 70s, and the signs are really similar to the 70s situation where we had the OPEC oil embargo. Now going back, because you are here because of gold. So what I can see on the gold chart now is that, yes, obviously the price is going up, but you can see on the chart that I marked already.
Slide 2006.
Hello Gunther, I'm going to mute you. So you can see that I already marked 1993, 1992 area, because I'm expecting price to drop a little bit. Now, if you look on the economic calendar, even the economists are expecting a higher than expected reading on inflation, so the price pressure. And if the reading is higher than expected, then gold should go up, all the way to 2050 maybe. But before that, also we have initial jobless claims, meaning that the people who claiming unemployment benefits for the first time. So this could be a problem for us because we don't know what is going to be the number, and usually when this number is contradicting inflation, so we have a higher than expected reading, which is it's not good. That can mess up things, so we can expect price volatility, so price whiplashes, you know, $10, $20, $30 within minutes. Gold already started to move above to our entry level, but my entry is at around 1993, so I'm hoping the price is going to come back down to pick up my buy limit, which I'm going to set right now. What is your opinion about today's CPI? Wakey.
It's going to be 8.1. It's going to. I do a gamble. It's going to be 8.1, and that's going to push it up to 2100. Total guess.
Ooh.
That's my guess.
Yeah, that's
If it's 2100, it's going to come right back down again, and that's going to be good for us because we can make more money. But that's my total guess. There you go.
Yeah, that's good. Okay, who wants to bet with Nick? I really like his idea. It lines up with mine.
Yeah, same here.
And on the chart you can see that I already marked the weekly resistance level and the previous daily close. So we have more than 3 confirmations that price is going to hopefully come back down, because it broke through these resistance levels with an impulse move, and every impulse move is followed by
a retracement.
Excellent. You guys don't need me, you know everything.
No.
We still need you, Donald.
No, you don't need me.
We are the back vocals. You're the main vocal.
Hell 9000. Who are you? I never seen your name in the Zoom.
In a Zoom meeting.
Oh, your wife is not happy because you're in a Zoom meeting.
You have to tell her you're buying gold.
Tell your wife you're going to buy gold. You're risking the family money on stock market and commodities.
Hi, mate.
Hey.
So what do you think the result is gonna be?
On what?
The actual reading for CPI. What's your suggestion? What do you think?
It's higher than expected, but we don't know how much higher. The Economist forecast on investing.com and on the major economic indicator sites or calendar sites says 7.9%. That is the consensus, the forecast.
Yeah.
Is higher.
Yeah, but what guess?
My guess
Yeah.
is I think it's gonna be higher than 7.9, so 8.1. I'm lining up my forecast with Nick.
Yeah, my room was not sound yeah, but someone might be passing by. You understand?
Let me see what.
Don't use trails for anything. Use earphones.
Asu, mute your mic. Thank you. So, going back. Also, let's have a look on US 30 because US 30 is my sweet spot. And of course, this cheeky fucker yesterday took out the previous daily high and then it just completely melted after hitting 2 of my stop losses. How fucking rude.
What's for breakfast today, Tom?
Say it again.
What's for breakfast?
Frankfurters. Hot dog.
Not bad.
Seriously, guys, just one question. This is all of the people who are watching YouTube right now. We have 137 viewers and only 49 likes. If you want this team to continue publicly, please smash that like. It's helping me reaching my 100,000k goal on YouTube, and you get free content. Ooh, and I forgot to share the link to Telegram.
People still in the Telegram group.
Sorry?
We have people in the Telegram group.
No, it's the public one.
Oh.
So, Mbogo Martin wants to see my MetaTrader 4. I can show you my MT4. It's not going to help you anything because there's no positions running. But I'm happy to show. There you go, mate. Feel free to watch it. There's no lining, no lines, no analysis on here. So, do you want to watch the empty MetaTrader or do you want to watch the trading view? It's up to you.
Do you think the stop loss is okay or should be wider?
Definitely wider, but you know, it's below the previous daily close. Ideally, it should be at the previous daily low at 1971, but that's a ridiculously wide stop loss. I mean, that's like 220 pips. That's just ridiculous. And if the tighter the stop loss, it looks better on YouTube. Don't forget that we are live.
Okay.
Hey, Scam Crypto Hunter. Welcome back. Come on, guys. 89 likes on YouTube. Help a brother out and just hit that like button just once. If you enjoy the conversation, the stream, hit that like button once. If you really enjoy it, smash it. So people asking US30. Well, this move has already happened. And we missed this move. I missed this move yesterday. Yeah. Lorenzo. So this move has already happened. So I don't want to jump into US30. I want to focus on gold. From technical perspective, we have a big fucking natural M, which usually is going up, but you know, don't want to get into guesses. Theoretically, inflation is bad for stock market because the higher the prices, the higher the input cost of the production of these companies, meaning that the profitability is going to decrease. Also, they have to pay higher wages for their employees. So it's already a double whammy. And if you look at the oil prices, which is never been high since 2008, so 14 years ago, more than a decade ago, oil price also hitting $130 per barrel, which means that, again, the logistics, transportation, everything is going to be more expensive for these companies. So it's a triple whammy. But the problem with the situation now, the companies are going into defensive mode and they're buying back their own shares, which is called the share buyback. And they're trying to push the price higher. This is defensive mode. So, and because I missed this move, I want to focus on gold today. So some people, and I saw a few people mentioned 1970 and 1960 and then price moving up. So let's see on TradingView if you have anything. 1960, 1970. Yeah, that was the previous daily low. It's very much possible. I can see the possibility that price is coming back down to scoop up the weekly resistance, previous daily low. But the lowest I think it would go is 1979, because we have Fibonacci 7860. So just to give you an accurate and fair representation of what I expect, because you know, even two position is possible, the price could easily come down to the 7860 and then move higher. So I don't want to give you false hopes that there's going to be clear one entry level, because there are multiples. And Bogo Martin asking about again my MetaTrader. I don't have any open positions. You saw my MetaTrader. Focus on your MetaTrader. And people in YouTube, focus on smashing that bloody like button because there's only 120 likes. And we have 13 minutes. Where is Raul and his cock?
Yoo-hoo.
Ah!
I'm here.
Wagwan.
Wagwan, Jamaica.
That is it.
So Asaf, it's in 1 hour and 15 minutes, Thomas, not 15 minutes. Well, if I have to choose between what investing.com says, 11 minutes, and you, unfortunately I have to, you know, go with investing.com. Sorry, mate. No offense. Rayon, are you singing?
Did you realize my mic was on? Sorry.
No problem. Asaf is saying the CPI is in 1 hour 15 minutes. Yeah, wait for it.
At least the market is not that volatile.
Yeah. Zakurzan Blackout says that why you consider the daily close at the body low instead of the wick? Well, we have the daily wick here, the previous daily low. That was the bottom of the wick and the close. And that's why you have two positions. If it comes lower than the previous daily low, then fuck it, it's gonna go lower. Guys, seriously, 138 likes, it's just disappointing. You don't respect Raul in the Zoom. Give a like for Raul and Rayon's singing talents.
That's why the likes not coming. Sorry, Ryan.
Yeah, no, I'm a talented singer.
So, oops, no, I want to move. Okay, so someone asked about my buy limit. I did set a buy limit at 1993. And if it hits the stop loss, I will be down 1.8% of my total account. No, 1%. If it hits stop loss. Brian on YouTube, Raul is the main man. Ooh, you really want to end this Zoom.
What? Oh, Brian.
Hi Alpha, love from Pakistan. Love to you, brother. Thanks, Christine.
I'm sure they all love you. They just miss Raul because they can't see him. They can only hear his voice.
No, it's. I think some people like older men.
It's the voice.
The men are still in my 40s.
Just start speaking in a lower tone. Maybe you'll get more likes.
Right on. This is the Alpha Effects. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight.
That's perfect. We should all talk like that.
But maybe we have some turbulence.
Definitely we're going to have some turbulence today. 9 minutes to CPI. Okay, James Ibrahim, that's just really insulting. He says Raul is the superstar.
Now we're talking, my mate.
Yeah, he's a good guy.
Seems like Raul would pay him to say that. It's one of your fans, right, Raul?
It's all paid comments on YouTube.
A paid promotion.
In it.
Yeah.
Someone else said you are right, or James.
Hi Alpha, Benjamin from Zimbabwe. Hello Forex Samurai. We have a Serbian samurai in the group.
Yeah, we do.
Yay, Michael. Brandon in the Zoom chat. Thomas, you should end the call once your buy limit triggers so the price shoots up again as usual. Yep, that's absolutely. Every single time when I end the stream and the Zoom, gold price just goes up. So we found a direct correlation, an edge on the market.
And use it as a confluence.
In it.
Yep.
Wagwan Jamaica.
And 5 minutes to launch.
Someone asked if he can go for a sell 1975.
Ooh.
Curious question, Thomas.
I like girls.
Have you ever witnessed glowing water before?
Blowing what?
Glowing water.
Sorry, blowing what?
Glowing water. Water that glows.
Water that glows. Yeah, when I had too much pre-workout and it made my urine really, really green. That was like neon.
Green.
Yeah.
That's not glowing.
No, but I never experienced glowing.
He said glowing, not growing.
A spot here in Jamaica where the water glows at night.
Glows at night, mate. You should move house then. Go to another town. If the water is glowing, that's not good.
But it's okay. It's science.
You have to
Glowing
stop with the
water.
weeds.
You have to smoke weed at the close.
I'm serious.
Yeah, I'll stop smoking weed. Oh. And 3 minutes.
Ryan has no television. He's smoking weed and reading the dictionary. High definition, right?
I'm gonna show you guys later.
You glowing water.
Yeah, it's an attraction here. It's called Luminous Lagoon.
Oh, you should take a
Luminescence.
picture and post it so that we can see it.
Yeah, I'm gonna do that right now.
And make
Yeah.
a video as well, because last time you tuned into the Zoom while you had your camera on, and you showed us that you were close to the beach. That was epic.
There's a lot of. See what I'm gonna do? There's a bit of it on YouTube also. I'm gonna screen record it and send a small clip in the group.
Is it because of the algae?
Algae?
Yeah, so the bio thing in the water.
Yeah, it's a thing where fresh water and salt water meet.
Yeah. I've seen that once in Croatia. I know what you mean. And 1 minute. Should I leave my trading view or my MetaTrader?
Yeah.
Which one do you want to watch? MetaTrader or Trading View?
Trading view.
One Trading View?
Trading view.
One
Trading
MetaTrader.
View.
watch-
There's nothing on this TraderView. I might as well just
MetaView.
use the trading view. The meta view.
View in
The MetaView.
Half and half.
View Trader.
Pretty sure half and half.
Or MetaView.
Trading view is
10
better.
seconds. 10 seconds. 5, 4. Yep.
Oh!
Job
In line
claims
with
red.
expectation. Yeah, that's going to be bullish for gold.
Inflation rate. Inflation is as expected. Rest is red.
Pretty much everything is in line. But CPI year on year, it's just fucking through the roof. So. I'm not sure if I should place a buy now or just wait until the buy limit, but I think I'm going to leave the buy limit. So far the reaction is quite muted, but we're only in a minute, less than a minute. $247 viewers on YouTube. That is a record. Thank you so much, guys. Respect. But smash the fucking like button now. Thank you. It's funny that inflation is... Oh yeah, next month is gonna be over the roof inflation, because... No, actually, we got February data, and the war started in February, and the commodity price increase as well. Ray asking, Thomas, do you also trade NFP? Yes, we do. Do we trade NFP, team?
No.
Yes, we do.
No.
Yeah, we observe. I don't say we always trade, because the last few NFP was quite disappointing, but we do trade. Let's have a look on US 30. US 30 had bigger reaction than gold. Putin Blyat, you're not opening the position now, Thomas. No, I'm not. I'm waiting. I'm waiting to price to come a little bit lower, because I have more confirmations. Let me just show you again on TradingView. So I have more confirmations at 1993. So I don't want to get into a rush buying, because there's more confirmations at 1990, 1993. So I want price to come a little bit lower. If it misses my buy limit, it's not the end of the world. We are going to have another 235 trading days this year. So it's not the end of the world.
Yeah, even 110 in the Zoom 11.
Yeah.
New record, right?
Yeah. And yeah, it's not pushing up as... It's really muted, so let's just wait. Someone is firing up his MetaTrader. So Putin Blyat, if you missed the buy limit, would you buy the breakout at around 2008? No, I wouldn't. Because I'm already in profit for March. I don't want to risk anything with impulsive buying. There's a difference between, you know, most of the traders make money on waiting patiently. And, you know, high impact news, just way too much volatility. So I prefer trading on, you know, just normal boring days when we have better price action and it's not news driven or data driven. How do you think I lost all my hair? Trading news.
I don't say anything.
I'm gonna get some water. Shahar Yari in Zoom. It will move after you ending Zoom session. Yeah, probably it will.
Have someone
Okay, and make sure you hydrate, drink enough water while you're watching the charts.
Drinking tea.
It's good. Green tea?
Strawberry tea.
Oh, it's really exotic or camp. Who bought gold? I noticed one of you did.
Nope.
Anyone in gold buys, sells?
Okay.
No one?
At around 1986. 1986. Still holding it.
Alright, Thomas, I just sent the video in the group chat. You can show YouTube as well.
Where do you send it?
The group chat.
On Discord? I don't see it.
Yeah.
Ah, okay. Luminescence.
Luminous Lagoon should definitely be added to your.
I will watch it after the stream.
Right.
Nick.
Yeah, mate. What's up? Yeah, I'm already in. You know what I mean. So.
Yeah, that's what I wanted to ask. How many buys do you have?
Yeah, I buy lots of little ones. So when it was down at the bottom there today at 1980, like I do a lot of mini lots. That's just what I do. I don't know why, and feels safer. And as I get more confident, I buy more. And I bought when the news came out. Actually, bought another little position up the top there because I think it's gonna inch its way up. So yeah.
Did you just buy now? They're not telling us.
Yeah, and when the news came out, I was like, yeah, that's just gonna inch it up. But yeah, I buy. I bought down the bottom and the top as well.
Thomas, I sent an update on gold. Maybe you wanna take a look in my analysis channel. It's on Discord.
Oh. Yeah. So Isaac just posted this as a support. So maybe he is right. And you have this kind of trend line. Is it?
Yeah, something like that. Because this one looks like a slow breakout. You see, I think they're just trying to trap some retail shorts over here.
I can agree with that because that's a valid support level. Although I was expecting a little bit lower. Did you buy?
No, I'm stuck with AUD/USD. I have like 14 lots on it.
Well, big man. Okay. So I'm gonna place a little buy on gold. Just.
Isaac, are you from Singapore?
Yeah, I'm from Singapore.
Isaac, was it you that pushed up back GJ?
Sorry, you mean GBP JPY, is it?
Yeah, was it you who pushed it up?
No, I barely have 2 lots in it.
Make sure. Alright, bless you. Yeah, man.
So scam crypto hunter. Don't you think it's too early? Yeah, you have to risk to win, innit? But yeah, I'm expecting a lower entry, but also I don't want to miss out if price goes up, so I can risk. So if I miss this one, I'm down 1.6k, which is about 0.8% of my account. So yeah, we can risk that much. Anything for the views.
Thomas, are you shorting US 30?
No, I missed that move. Let me show you. So in US 30, I missed it, and but long term, I'm definitely bearish. But you know, I missed this one, up and down as well. So I'm not going to touch it now. There's no point. I don't like to enter on the middle of the move. So based on Isaac's analysis, I entered into a buy. If it goes south, well, we're going to have a conversation.
Why are you laughing so much, Isaac?
Nah, I was just talking to my helper because my daughter is she doesn't want to sleep with her tonight.
She could join the trading. I mean, open her an account and you know she could trade with real money.
Well, she's 4 years old today. I mean, not today, this year. So yeah, it might take some time.
Or maybe she would be a better trader than you.
Yeah, maybe. I mean, I got 3 kids, so yeah, I think one of them should actually do it, you know, because yeah, trading is evergreen and it's always around, so they can just trade small and you know get some pocket money out of it.
True.
Yeah, and kids, they see things completely differently, and you know, their brain is just like a sponge sucking up information. So definitely, if I have a kid, I'm going to teach them trading.
Yeah, make sure you don't pull out early.
That was a good one.
Anyone shorting crypto?
No. And trust me, Isaac, you need a license to hold this. A serious weapon. It's live ammunition, but it would pierce through a fucking tank.
Guess what? My Sparks just messaged me on.
I think the new generation is really into crypto instead of commodities and forex, because that's what they have. Crypto is the new trading for kids. It's so fast-paced. It's like the Wild West, and you know, loads of different names, colors. I see many young school kids. They were talking about crypto the other day. I was in a cafe, and I turned my head, and they were not older than 14. They were talking about Cardano, Bitcoin, Ethereum. I was like, wow. I wish we would have these kind of resources and you know opportunities back when I was a kid. I had a fucking bicycle and a football and some friends. We were beating each other up and then we chasing girls and then running around. Robbing the supermarket. That was my childhood. Stealing some candies.
Yeah, we all done that.
Oh god.
But yeah, you're right, because kids nowadays, and when I go out for a meal and all that, I do hear that they are talking about all just crypto and all that. And when I tell them I don't do crypto, they are so, are you a fucking dinosaur or something?
Oh wow. Yeah, we should really learn crypto.
But actually, I tried applying the same techniques that I use for forex on crypto, and apparently, I think most of them that are listed on the centralized exchange, they actually do respect the support resistance or even the order blocks and all that, especially for what do you call that, the mainstream ones like Bitcoin and Ethereum.
Yeah. Yeah, I think definitely as soon as they start regulating crypto, it's going to behave much better to price action. And one of the reasons is that because many of the algorithms, they work on, you know, simple price action, support, resistance, moving averages, you know, all kind of everything that where you can derive data from. So a chart, essentially. But right now, there's just too many people who have no idea what they're doing, and they just, oh, I want to buy Bitcoin, and everyone is just placing their stimulus check, and you know, if you add up all of these, it's some serious volume which moves the market, and there's just crazy volatility because, you know, people who should not trade because they don't know what they're doing, I think that's moved the market, but I could be wrong.
No, you're right, Thomas. Check the group chat. I posted a photo.
Yeah.
You might want to have a talk with me later on.
Okay, I'm gonna close down Isaac's position because it's not going into my favor. So that is, sorry Isaac. I'm gonna stick with my original position.
Sorry for the interruption. I just received an email from my Forex fund.
Ah, the registration.
Yeah, we're ready to go.
Yes.
I think
Finally. And I think then the lady should have received as well.
Pascal. Pascal?
Yeah. I'm not sure if she's in the Zoom, but most likely they received as well.
I'm on a little go short. Not crazy size, just a little one.
US 30 and gold together going down.
I entered at 0521.
Right. Sorry, Isaac. Back to the original analysis.
That's fine.
Okay, I've closed it.
Wow.
Yep, I've closed it.
Yeah, and it picked up my buy limit.
Woohoo, nice.
With 0 drawdown.
Let's just wait. Maybe it's going to drop fucking smash through my stop loss. You
wanna end your life now?
Then maybe gold is going up.
Yeah.
It's perfect timing. The moment you entered and I closed it. I closed my short.
The one thing I'm not confident with, or makes me a bit nervous, is that big fucking head and shoulder on the chart. Probably you can see it as well.
Thomas, I entered short US30 at 33,207. Where do you think the TP should be?
32,800. 500, sorry.
32,500.
US30 will go down. It's definitely. It's for me. It's late. It's against my rules to enter now.
I'm already in a trade, in a lot of profit already.
Oh, that's good. Yeah, it's definitely gonna go down.
Okay, thank you.
Wish you all the best. So now we have to make up the loss from Isaac's trade. $41 pips profit.
I'm on the same side with you.
Did anyone enter or place buy limit with me?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, me.
Yes, I did.
I did.
I did it.
I did.
Oh.
Me too.
I did.
On CPI.
That was very nice.
It's just holding on there.
Well, you guys in profit now, but make sure you lock in some profits because, you know, high impact news, high volatility. Don't give back the market. Make the money, take the money. Nair was in a sell, took profit at 1992, and now in a buy. Wow.
Nice.
Steel balls. Balls of steel.
Just a question. Did one of you take AUD USD?
Always, brother, always, every day.
Michael is your man because he cannot live without AUD.
Ah, okay. You mean Michael riding with the waves?
Yeah, me and Isaac, we share ideas.
Let me just show you. Yeah, so Isaac has an analysis channel in our Discord server, and he is a savage. He's a beast. Like, the trades he does, unbelievable. So I want him to get more attention because he definitely deserves it. He's a really good trader. And how long have you been know each other, Isaac?
I think I joined about late 2021 or 2022. No. I joined late 2020s, I think.
2020. Yeah, it's a year now that we know each other, and I know Isaac's trades, and I can proudly say that I'm glad that you're in the team because you have good trades.
I mean, you gave me the opportunity to post whatever I had. I mean, sometimes if you trade against me, you would definitely win.
No, it's not true. Sometimes we have conflicting views, but you know that's normal.
He's being modest. I tried it yesterday and didn't work out.
Trading against Isaac.
That's why I think he pushed GBP JPY up, because I was in a sell, and as soon as he ended, I going back up. So
that GJ trade yesterday was just really nice.
Yeah. and it went down. It went down to the same exact point where we entered yesterday as well.
Yeah.
That's where we entered. And Isaac, as you entered, I saw the market went.
2 lots.
You had something to do with it.
I mean, GBP is one of the best pairs to trade, I believe, because it's one of the ones that move the most aside from commodities. So GJ is also one of my favorites, and AUD USD as well, because AUD USD itself, it's a bit slower, but the movements are very clean, and I think they are not as confusing as the other cross pairs.
True. I like GBP, JPY as well, and gold.
Sorry?
I said I like GBP, JPY, and gold.
By gold.
And gold.
Yeah, I mean, I don't really trade gold for one thing. That's something that I'm different with.
Oh, shizzle. And we have a new hourly candle opened.
Well, Lagarde is still giving out her speech right now.
Lagarde.
Yeah, I'm watching on Bloomberg right now. It's still showing.
Oh, wow, GBP CHF.
You trade a lot of pan crosses.
For myself, you mean?
Yeah.
Because like I said, I like pound.
I used to trade a lot of pound, but I used to do a lot more pound Aussie and pound Kiwi.
Pound Kiwi is crazy.
Yeah.
and so is Euro Kiwi, and Euro Aussie is also quite a mover.
Well, that's a good pair too, but like sometimes Euro just doesn't move as much, but like Pam move a lot, like especially when you short Pam against those. I mean, even the swap points is great.
Yeah, but only downside about all these crosses is the spread. When if you're intraday trading it, the spread actually gets a lot of your profit, because
true.
The spread is sometimes 2 pips, 3 pips, and all that. So depends on your broker and all that.
It's better if you kind of just swing it. I mean, like pound yen, you don't really need to swing it, like because movement is enough. But like pound Aussie and pound Kiwi, you kind of swing it. I mean, if you're shorting pound, it gives you that.
When you get a good swing on pound yen, it's crazy. You can get 400-500 pips easily.
True. Like if you short it like a few days ago, like hold it till hold it till today. You don't even need to swing it for a week. Just swing it for a few days, and that's enough.
I mean, for myself, I think 2 weeks is okay, or maybe 3 days. Sometimes a lot of trades, about 100 pips and all that for pound pairs. It takes a day or two. That's all.
It does, yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
Wow.
what's happening on pound.
DJ is gonna go up to 154.
Yeah, 154.1. That's my target.
You longing?
Yeah, I longed.
Yeah, it's good.
think-
It's
Oh,
GJ is definitely along. I mean, it's going to smash through the weekly pivot. It's already an inverted head and shoulder, and 154 will be the target. Oops. Yeah, something like this. So I am going to enter into a long on GJ.
Right now.
Mm-hmm.
Well, okay.
Or
Oh, you just broke the daily high. I didn't notice.
Yeah, I did.
do you believe it's gonna go higher? Because I'm, still at that area. Or was.
That is my GJ position.
Almost not much of a drawdown.
No, and it's gonna go up.
Oh.
It failed to break the market structure previously.
Yeah.
Gold, on the other hand, is a cheeky little fucker. Doesn't want to move. Oh shit, my stop loss a little bit too tight on GJ. That's better. Okay. Market isn't moving too much, so probably I'm going to call it a day in about 5 minutes because I have to go out to do some shopping. Team, tomorrow I will be off. I will send analysis, but there's no morning briefing. And also Monday and Tuesday, very important, I will be off. It's a national holiday here on Tuesday, which means it's national holiday on Monday, and we are gonna go out away, a bit of weekend getaway, so there won't be morning briefing or afternoon live trading.
I think you need to have Raoul do it.
All right, here we go
Enjoy your
again.
weekend.
Did you say that
Right,
Raoul to
I'll
do
go
it?
Oh.
Are you gonna leave the trade open?
That just straight through my heart. But no, he could.
After
he
all,
would
he
be
is the
great.
main man, Thomas, so he should be good.
No, he's a good guy. He's definitely.
Sorry about that comment on your YouTube. I use the name Brian instead of Alan, but it was more a wind up for you.
It's fine because I blocked you on YouTube anyway.
Oh, really? Thank you very much. I can't do any more likes then.
No, it's fine. Whoever really wants to take up the morning briefings and afternoon live trading, I'm more than happy to hand over for tomorrow, Friday, Monday, and Tuesday because I won't be here. Isaac, maybe you want to volunteer, I've heard.
Since when?
No, Isaac, I think you can do it. You and Raul can do it. Either one
I
of you.
think.
You two can share the days.
Yeah, come on, Isaac. You're a star. You know, this is your chance to really shine in this group.
Yeah,
You want the alpha cock.
Your first coming out. We'll have a coming out party. For
No, we've only got one alpha cock, Raul.
I suggest that the oldest person in the group will take care of that, Alan.
Oh.
Yeah, but I'm also the dumbest as well. So, you know, being old doesn't help.
What happened to the older you are, the wiser you are?
No, it's rubbish.
That's not for
the older you get, the more stupid you get. This is what I think.
That's not for Alan. I was joking, Alan.
I had my daughter around with my grandkids this morning. 3 little boys.
Oh, but that's fun.
Yeah, they're really good. My daughter's got 4 boys.
Wow.
Boy.
I know, and the oldest one is 10, is at school. So, but the other ones are all like nearly 4, 2 less than 1.
Oh, sophisticated stuff on YouTube. Christine, you do the live session. Wow.
Yeah, but Christine, she'll be advising us to go in at 20 lots.
Oh God.
If you see Christine's lot, guys, trust me, you would lose all your hair like I did. She's a big player.
To see.
Yes,
I'm really curious. I want to see.
What, Raul's cock?
Oh no!
You don't want to see that.
I mean, no, guys.
Will be
Oh,
jealous.
that's disgusting, guys. I'm talking about Raul's actual bird. He has a cock.
No, the rooster.
And a hand.
I don't want to see
What do you call it? Rooster? Then there's no mistake.
I don't want to see it. Thank you.
I didn't notice. We didn't hear it.
I just want to see Christine's lot size.
Oh my God! No, I deleted them. I deleted
would love
them.
to see Christine's lot size too.
Oh my God!
I think it's beyond my imagination, you know.
Oh, I'm sure.
What's that?
Me
The
too,
lot size
Christine.
or Raul's rooster?
God.
Oh my God.
Sorry.
Christine, are we the wisest one in the group here?
Oh no! Definitely not me. There are a lot of wise people in the group. I'm just lucky. Yeah.
But Christine, I'm curious myself. I don't know about your experience with trading, but what gives you the confidence to go in with such a big lot size? You probably have a lot of experience, or I missed that part. I don't know. 20 lots for me is really not much.
Yes.
Wow.
Because consider the sizes that if I actually have to use those, is around 150 to 280. Those are the sizes that I actually really use. So 20 comparatively is small. Yes. So anything lower than 10, then like if I'm testing things out, then I would do like 5, 10, but 20, yeah. But if I really, so the other day when I was on the group with everyone, I was actually pulling like 100, but that was just like almost like a one night and a few times only. But I don't do that like all the time, so it's not like a daily practice. Yes.
You have a comment on YouTube. Dane
Sorry,
Henry.
I don't have.
Dane Henry's.
Yeah.
Oh, I'd read it up. Don't worry. I'm listening and I'm watching. So Dane Henry on YouTube. Christine voice is sexy. Wow.
Oh God.
Yo,
Christine
Christine,
can
can you
take
jump
over.
on this DJ long, please, so that the market will go up. Jump on
Yeah.
GJ.
Where are you from, Christine?
Hey, Biodun.
Hey,
from
boss.
Hong Kong.
How you doing?
Okay.
Good to see you. Finally, someone
Yes,
turns on the
sir.
camera with Isaac. It's a big, muscly man. That's right.
Yeah, Isaac. Thank you, man. I take Isaac straight. Very good. Well done, boss.
Thank you for the information, Christine. Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome. You're welcome.
Oh, don't thank her yet.
next time if I'm pulling some kind of larger sizes, I'll ask Thomas if I can post it.
Yes, please.
You feel free to post it, but
And then I'll delete
just
it
to
in 2 seconds.
No,
Be
it
careful.
wasn't against you, but you know how many people they tend to rush into. They get the motivation from bigger lot sizes, and that's not really healthy. But if you post like a risk disclaimer, like, you know, make sure that the lot size is lined up with your risk tolerance, like 2-3%. That's fine. You can use bigger lots. So
yeah, that's
So we
really
figured out
true.
who's doing tomorrow morning, right?
It's gonna be Raul and the cock.
It's gonna be nah.
I think Isaac and Raul volunteered, but
Yeah, I mean, you have
No,
3
no,
days
only
off.
Isaac. You misunderstood. Only Isaac.
No, we definitely heard you volunteer.
Well, it's just gonna be moral support.
I think you two can split the day, seriously.
I see
Yeah,
what
we
I can
can't
do.
take 5 days off, so one of y'all got to do it.
Yeah, what's
did
gonna
you guys
happen
see
if I?
Goat?
What's gonna happen if I go on a longer holiday? Have you thought
Not
We'll
about
all
that?
take turns.
Not
We'll all
allowed.
take turns.
Well, it sounds like you got 3 good traders that can take over.
Oh, trust me, there's way more than 3 good traders in the group. We just had a discussion in the, we had an admin chat, and yeah, there are some heavyweights in the group. Yeah, really good traders, but they are not as chatty as most of the people.
I would volunteer, but we'll lose a lot of money if I do it.
I did it.
This is why
And
we
all this
need. That's why we need Isaac and Raul, because you know they're masters at the analysis.
Well, but not presentations, you see. Not morning briefings.
Or do you enjoy the morning briefings I do?
Yeah, Thomas just comes on, talks about economics. It's fine, you know. He can do that. He gives us quick
Inflation and all that.
explanation of why everything's happening. You know, the money flow and the commodities. You know, all the sort of thing.
I just don't have the fancy charts that Thomas has. in
Don't
the
need
morning
it.
Don't have
briefing.
fancy charts.
Just a picture of a rooster. It's fine.
Gold is pushing up.
Yay.
So
Yeah,
guys,
I'm at 10% profit, so I may close.
10%
call
of
it a
your
day.
account. Wow.
Ooh, what's your lot size? Now I'm curious.
Not as big as yours.
Oh, okay. I mean, your comparatively.
Yeah, not very big. I'm still learning, so I'm just kind of playing around.
But you know, the good thing that you mentioned that you're up 10%. I'd really respect that you know your account size and you know how much profit. Well, it's easy to calculate sometimes, but at least you focus on the percentage and not, you know, $1 million and a Lamborghini.
Yeah,
that's
exactly.
important.
Yeah,
The
I'm
thing about you,
retired from the
Lamborghinis,
military, so I don't
understand
necessarily need to be rich. I'm good.
Okay,
I
guys.
think when the sorry.
No, go ahead.
No, I just saying like when the U.S. market, like equity market opens, gold probably will push a lot higher.
Oh, it started already. But was there any clock change in the US? Or is it like 13 minutes and it's gonna go up?
Yeah, in 13 minutes.
Yeah. Well, what's the time now in Eastern?
Right now I think it's 9:17 over there. In 9:17. 9:17
Oh yeah,
AM
30
over
minutes
there.
and the
New
stock
York is
exchange.
9:17.
Yeah.
Hong Kong 10:17. So I'm looking
Yeah,
like,
'cause-
but I'm not a genius.
Because it used to be like when I think it's daylight saving time, then it's exactly 12 hours. So it's really easy for me to remember. So winter time, they are an hour later for me. So
Yeah, but the clock change hasn't happened in Europe, so how come that they changed the clock?
it hasn't. This is still the
U.S.
old-
time changed Sunday.
Yeah, on 27th. And US are changing it this Sunday, isn't it?
Yeah, the 13th.
Oh, right answer. All right, guys. In your benefit, I'm going to end Zoom so gold can go higher, because usually it goes higher as soon as I end the stream. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you made already some good profit. I'm going away for 5 days, so Friday, Monday, Tuesday, there will be no morning briefing, no afternoon live trading. Please inform your colleagues if someone asking like where is link at 7:99 in the morning. Have a good weekend. Do not risk anything more than 2 to 3%. I love you all. Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you.
Bye-bye, Thomas.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Weekend.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.
And people in YouTube, thank you so much for tuning in. Today is going to be a shorter Zoom because I'm going to go away for a long weekend. There will be no stream tomorrow or Monday or Tuesday. I'm back on Wednesday with some surprise for you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. It was a pleasure. I hope you made some good profit, although it's not a financial advice. Thank you so much. Have a relaxing weekend. This is the Alpha Effects.
Trading is all about experience. It's to feel the adrenaline running through our veins. Like all the things we do that excite us. Whatever world we come from or live in, there are people that are born to succeed. They're called special, to hustle every day for an opportunity of a lifetime. Looking for the challenge to shape our future is something that's in our DNA. A privilege just available for a few. Traders, we see things differently, paying attention to every small detail that would maybe go unnoticed by the common eye. On or by the edge is our playground, with a constant strive for glory, seeking for a new tomorrow. Do you feel special? Take back control of your investments.